Not the empty kind, but the kind that exists just before something massive enters the room. The lights awaken first, soft, controlled, almost ceremonial, and then, metal breathes. Under the glow of a luxury showroom, standing on a mirror-polished floor, the Ford F-350 Super Duty reveals itself. Not rolling, not roaring, just standing, because it doesn't need to move to prove its power. This is not a truck built to impress crowds. This is a machine built to carry nations, to pull futures forward, to work where excuses collapse. Look at it closely. The original factory paint isn't loud, it's confident. Every curve reflects the showroom lights like armor forged for kings. This is beauty with a backbone. The front grille dominates the air. Wide, commanding, unapologetic. Chrome isn't used for decoration here, it's used as a statement. The LED headlights stare forward with cold intelligence, like they already know the road ahead, and aren't afraid of it. This is the Ford F-350 Super Duty, engineered for people who don't ask permission from terrain, weather, or weight. Under that sculpted hood lives power that doesn't shout, it delivers. An engine designed not for speed records, but for endurance legends. Torque flows like a controlled earthquake. This truck doesn't sprint, it pulls mountains until mountains surrender. Every vibration is disciplined. Every combustion cycle is calculated. This is industrial poetry. In the showroom, surrounded by silence and light, the F-350 almost feels restrained, like a caged giant waiting patiently. Because its true life begins beyond these walls, where roads break, loads increase, and limits are tested. Step closer. The wheels are not styled, they're armed. Heavy-duty tires grip the floor as if they're already gripping mud, gravel, ice, or scorching asphalt. The suspension sits high, calm, confident, knowing it was built to absorb punishment and keep going. This is not luxury pretending to be tough. This is toughness refined into luxury. Open the door. The sound is solid, reassuring, final. Inside, the world changes. The cabin is quiet, controlled, almost surgical. Materials are chosen not just for comfort, but for longevity. Every stitch, every surface, every switch exists for a reason. This is where long days turn into victories. Where drivers don't fight the machine, they command it. Technology surrounds you, but it doesn't overwhelm. Large digital displays deliver information clearly, cleanly, without drama. Navigation, towing data, camera systems, performance metrics, everything you need, nothing you don't. This interior isn't trying to feel futuristic. It's designed to feel reliable 10 years from now. Sit behind the wheel, and the size of the truck disappears. Visibility is commanding. Control is immediate. Power feels organized, never chaotic. Because the F-350 is not about ego. It's about responsibility. Back in the showroom, the lighting shifts. Soft highlights trace the hood lines. Reflections dance across the body panels. And suddenly, you realize something important. This truck doesn't belong in a showroom. It belongs on job sites at dawn. On highways at midnight. On mountains, deserts, frozen plains, and endless roads. It belongs with people who build, haul, tow, rescue, and deliver, when failure is not an option. This is why the Ford F-350 Super Duty exists. It doesn't chase trends. It doesn't beg for attention. It waits, knowing that those who understand power will recognize it instantly. The bed is massive, purpose-built, ready to carry weight that would break ordinary vehicles. Payload is not a number here, it's a promise. Hook up a trailer, and the F-350 doesn't flinch. It stabilizes, calculates, moves forward with calm authority. Because towing is not an afterthought, it's the core of its identity. Every system works together. Engine, transmission, chassis, braking, a symphony of strength. Even standing still, you can feel it. The Ford F-350 Super Duty is the kind of machine that defines a person's work ethic. It becomes a partner, a witness to long days, hard weather, and quiet victories. In the showroom's perfect lighting, it looks flawless. But perfection was never the goal. Durability was. This truck is built to age with honor, gaining character, not excuses. Scratches become stories. Miles become proof. And yet, despite all that power, all that purpose, it still carries refinement. Because real strength doesn't need to be uncomfortable. This is the balance Ford mastered. A truck that can dominate job sites and still feel composed cruising through city lights. A machine that respects both muscle and mind. As the showroom lights dim slightly, the F-350 remains unchanged. Still calm, still ready, still unchallenged. Because power doesn't fade when the lights go out. It waits. The Ford F-350 Super Duty is not built for everyone. It's built for those who carry responsibility and refuse to drop it. If this machine speaks to you, if you understand what controlled power truly means, then you already know, this isn't just a truck. It's a statement of capability. And if you want more cinematic stories like this, where machines become legends, make sure you subscribe, because the road ahead is only getting stronger. Rocket fire.